Mouse pointers plays an important role in working in Excel. Once you open an Excel file, you will get a normal mouse pointer, like how exactly a mouse pointer works in a window. But if the moment you click on any of this cell, you will get a thick cross. It is a generic mouse pointer in cells. The use of this mouse pointer is to select any cell or selecting group of cells. The second important mouse pointer is fill handle. Take an example. If you point towards right side bottom square, here there is a small square here. If you point the cursor, you will get a fill handle or a thin cross. This is for dragging it down or filling the content of a cell. Take an example. Type 1, Control Enter, then point the cursor right side bottom here. With a fill handle, you can fill it down. That is the second one. Third one is select a group of cell, point the cursor any of these borders. For example, if I click here, touch here, you will get a 4 direction arrow. Here also if I touch here, I'll get a 4 direction arrow mouse pointer. This is for shifting the content of the cell from one location to another location. Take an example. Point the right side, point in this right side border, drag to another location. Here also drag to another location. Or select few things, again drag this to another location. And this is for 4 direction arrow. Another mouse pointers are when you select a column or a row, you will get a down arrow and a right arrow. This is for selection of a row and a column. One of the important mouse pointers normally we never notice. Take an example. I'm typing two numbers, 100 then 200. Then start with equal to 100 plus this 200. Suppose if I want to edit this cell, first we have to select the cell, then you double click. When we double click, the cursor is blinking. At the same time, you can view an I-beam here. This is another mouse pointer. If you point the cursor outside the cell, it's become a thick cross. But if you bring inside the cell, you can view an I-beam here. This is for editing. Then if I want to edit, I want to make it like minus. Then I enter, I will get the answer. So if I double click any of the cells, you can able to view I-beam mouse pointer. This is for editing. And the last one is increasing the width of the column and a row. Take an example. If I want to increase the width, point this border here, then you can increase the width. Or the same way, point towards your row, then increase the width of the or height of the row from here. So these are the various mouse pointers we use normally when you are working on Excel.